Hello guys, this is the another video of my English speaking practice. In this video, you will get to know that how I learn English speaking and how I practice of English speaking daily, so that I can improve my English on the daily basis, at least even 1% a day. Because it is important for me to get better in English. You know what? Why? Because I'm from the Hindi background, and also I'm a lawyer in Delhi. Not a lawyer. If you know who is a lawyer and who is an advocate, then I want to clarify in this. I'm an advocate, and who practice. I practice at the Saket Court, Delhi. I have a chamber in Saket Court. So this is why I am, you know, on my journey to learn English, and I make daily video at least 10 to 15 minutes, so that I can, complete. This is my kind. I have set a target to speak this much time, at least this much time, so that I can, say to my mind, because mindset is most important if you want to gain anything, if you want to achieve anything in your life, you have to set your mind first. So I have set this time in a day, so that I can say to my mind that you have to speak and you have to prepare yourself to give, you know, words to my tongue, so that I can speak fluently, and don't try to translate, because I never translate in my mind when I speak in English. Even when most of the time I do make mistakes, but I don't care about mistakes. Yes, I do care about mistakes, because of when I realize that at this point of time I have made a mistake, then I try to make that mistake correct into my next video, and I focus on that. Do I, did I make any mistake here, and which kind of mistake it is? It is related to grammatical, pronunciation, vocabulary basis, which kind of mistake I have done. This is how I, train myself. This is not a outer force or something, and this is all about my journey. So let's talk about my day, so that I can, because most of the time I think that on which topic should I speak, because most of the time I don't have topic, even when I do many things in a day. But when it's time to speak straightly, I feel stuck, because sometimes I think like, on what topic should I speak, because I have trained my mind to speak, to think in English only. It is my duty to speak, and your, work is to think in English. This is why, because in Hindi we can say one thing in a different way, but if you have this much this is, if you have this quality to say one thing in different, kind of scenarios in English, then trust me, you are getting, you have achieved that much fluency. Trust me. If you don't have fluency, but you will definitely going to get fluency very much, if you have this capability to say one thing into different in English. Because in Hindi, because Hindi is my mother tongue. I live in North India, so we all speak in Hindi. This is why I am trained in English, and I can trained in Hindi. Sorry, this is why I am struggling to speak in English most of the time, and I am, continuously making video, and I am continuously, I can say, practicing more than 6 months straightly without a skip any day, without realizing that how much time I have invest in this journey. The journey is English speaking practice, and trust me, practice makes a man perfect, and practice makes me, not perfect. I can't say perfect, but yes, I am getting better with the help of practice. I didn't enroll any coaching institutions. I didn't, go any coaching center or any tuition, or I only do that is practice. And for practice, I do. listening practice, and I do writing practice, and I do reading practice, and I do, most of the time I think like, how can I gain fluency? Because whenever I sit alone, because most of the time I live alone, because in Delhi my family lives in UP and I am living in Delhi, and in my room I live in rent, okay, in Delhi. So most of the time I live alone. But when I am in Sakitpur, because I am practicing in the Sakitpur, Delhi, so most of the in the daytime I went to the Sakit, or I go to the Sakit in the daytime, depends on its working or its holiday. So, and then I came back to my room, and here I live all alone. This is why I think that I have time to gain any skill, and my battery percentage is getting down. So I don't care about my battery percentage, because that was a pop-up. This is why I, you know, looked at the corner side. This was the notification. So let it be. So now I went to my cousin home, because few days ago there is a matter has been occurred, or dispute has been occurred in my village with my cousin brother. My cousin brother has been beaten by, four or five people in my village, and he was all alone when he was beaten. So because his four brothers live in Delhi, and after listening this, that has been met this matter has been occurred in village. Two brothers who lived in Delhi went to the village immediately, and they were struggling to register the FIR, because police official denied to register the FIR. But somehow, if I talk about today the settlement process was going on, and they were talking about process settlement. But trust me, I don't want to settle, because my brother, even when he is my cousin brother, he has been beaten, because he was all alone, and he was beaten by four five peoples, including ladies as well. I don't want to settle with them, because matter is serious. He got injured in the head, and he got fractured as well, and they were beating through sticks, through bricks, through fist, through kicks. So, you know, he is suffering from, he got, seriously injured. And the section, if I talk about this section has been, you know, applied. If the FIR has been registered against those, the section of half murder, and section 34 of IPC. If I talk about the section 307 of IPC, attempt to murder, or section 34 related to common intention, because more than one person was beaten, more than one person was beating my cousin brother. This is why the common intention will be there in the FIR. But now, because I went to my cousin home now, and I when I returned to my room, and I was just scrolling on Instagram, when I see that there is a local news page on Instagram has been uploaded that video. Yes, has been uploaded that video, in which he was describing by words that this has been occurred in this place in Hathras, because I am from the Hathras. So I was so happy somehow, because there is something real. Someone is posting on their channel, on their page as well, because they are running a news company. This is why it is most important to you know upload such kind of content. If there is something wrong, so you should upload. But should I share with you or not? I'm just thinking I should not, you know, share with you because I don't know who all are going to watch this video and they will see my intention what I want to. So I am not going to explain more things about it, what I want to and what I, you know, don't want to. So it is all about the now. And most of the time, if I talk about nowadays I can speak English whatever I want to speak. Trust me, nowadays I am so confident to speak in English because most of the time I communicate with my senior. Whenever I go in the court, I try to communicate and try to give submission and try to argue in the court in English. And yes, somehow I am able to speak in English in the court. Trust me. And this is why I am learning English because you know if you have trained your mind, because even when you know what you want to say in the court, but when it's time to speak before the judge, before the bench, you feel stuck. You know what? Why? Because thinking and speaking is totally different. If your mind can think in English but your mouth is not ready to speak in English, what you want to speak and what is need to speak, it is total blunder. At that point of time you are just standing before the bench and bench is asking any question and you are supposed to speak in English, but you are just worrying about your fluency, your English. This is why you are not even speaking in Hindi. This is the total blunder, I did many times. But nowadays, when I think like, okay, this word is missing in my mind when I use Hindi words, but I don't try to be a fluent person because I am not. But I am getting better day by day. This is why I try to speak in English in the court so that I can gain my confidence. Without speaking in the court before the bench, how I can gain my confidence in English? Yes, with my friends I can speak whatever I want to speak with them. Yes, I speak. I practice. And whenever I have time to, or whenever I, you know, get opportunity to speak with my senior, I do. And most of the time I ask, silly questions to my senior so that I can communicate with him. You know what? Why? Because I want to seek opportunities to speak in English because I don't have partner to speak with in English. This is why it is most important, if you have anyone to speak in English, then you should speak. And whenever I with my senior in the chamber, in the court, in the outside the court, I don't even think in Hindi. Trust me, I forgot about Hindi. I even when I do mistakes while I speak to my senior and when or while I communicate with my senior, but I try to speak only in English. Whenever whatever mistakes I do before the my senior don't judge me. He encouraged me to do mistakes as well. This is why I allow myself to make mistakes. Mistakes are the part of journey. If you afraid about making mistakes, you can't be fluent. Trust me, you can't be fluent because mistakes are the part of life, part of journey, part of your fluency, and it is most important to make. Without making it, how you can get to know that in which part and in which sentence you are weak? What is your weakness? By making mistake, you get to know your weaknesses, and after getting weaknesses, you can you know gain, you can improve. This is why mistakes are most important to make. So don't afraid to making mistakes. Bye. Catch you later. Good night. I will catch you tomorrow. Bye.